Hey everybody, let's make a pixel art. Welcome back. Let's create a pixel art. The board's going to be 20 by 15 and we'll be able to change the colors by pressing each block. Alright, thanks a lot, ChatGPT. I want to do it with Python. I used to be all Java, but since learning Python, uh, it's so convenient for so many things. It's a pretty easy language to learn, especially with the help of ChatGPT. So we'll put this in here, press play, and what do we got? Nothing really that I can. Okay, we can click on each one. It's red. Um, Not exactly what I was looking for. I want to be able to choose the color of each block. So we'll go ahead and tell it that to ChatGPT. We need a color selector. You can copy this, paste it in, and press play. Let's see what happens. Okay, my squares are not outlined, but there is a color chooser. You have your choice of 6 colors. Let's see. Okay, we'll speed this up a little bit. And there we have it. Our pixel art is complete. I guess what we might want is a save button. So we can go ahead and ask for a save button as well. That should do the trick. So it looks like the old version, only with an extra save button. That isn't exactly perfect, but let's go ahead and see what she can do. It didn't seem to be saving, but here we can see image saved as pixelart.png. Thank you. If you enjoyed what you see, please hit that like button below and the subscribe button. First 20 followers get free customer service for 2024. Anything you need to be able to make your program that you have in mind, I'll be there to help you pretty much 24/7, whenever you want. All right. Thank you. Bye.